Hi, today we are going to know more about search ads and the different type of extensions which are available in a search campaign. Okay, now let's go to ad extensions. In your ads and extension tab, you have an option for extensions. We just created a call out extension some time back. I would like to show you what are the different types of extensions and how will they look if we add them. So we have something known as a site-like extension. If your website has multiple pages and you want the user to look at the different variety of aspects to your website, you can add in a title, give it a description, and give that specific URL. So I am going to do that. So I'm going to make sure that I send the right traffic at the right place. You can again put in the specific URL. So so okay, the second description is recommended, but this is how a site link will actually look, and we can have more than 4 site links as well. Site links make sure that your ad space is increased, and then again your click-through rates will go sky roof when your ad is of a bigger size. Let me show you the other extensions which Google Ads will provide you with. We have already seen site links, call out, now structured snippet. Structured snippet, we have a little bit of limitations in the inventory here, but as per your business, you can select any specific uh, option out of this. For example, in this I could select brands and then write about Nike, uh, maybe and have a list of brands which would come down here in the ad. So this is a structured snippet extension. Now coming to call out extension. Call out extension is when you can add a phone number to your ad. So it could be a landline number, or it could be a mobile number, but this is how it will be showcased. And this extension is mostly seen on the mobile devices where the person can click on it and directly connect to your number. So if you want to increase inquiries, you should be using this ad extension. Okay, this is the message extension. I have seen this extension being used extensively when you're doing a lead generation campaign where you want the users to leave any kind of input or any doubt in their mind. You can customize it, put your business name, and make sure that uh, the message is sending out is correct. So uh, this extension is showing send us a text for more information, and when the person clicks on it, the default message which they will be taken to is like, I'd like to know more, please text me back. So many a times people don't have to actually type, just click on the send button. And Google recently has started with an auto reply message. If even if the inquiry is made late at night, still there is an auto response which goes back to the mobile device, and that actually gives a very positive feedback that yes, these people are interested in more business. That's the reason why this extension was built. Now coming to the other extensions which are there. um, Location extension. Location extension is if you genuinely have any kind of store or you want to show where the business is located, you can use this. But one tip here, make sure you just have one Google My Business associated with that email ID, not more than one, because it auto fetches all the locations associated with that email ID. So this is a short tip: one email ID, one location for this extension. Okay. Now coming back to the other extensions, we can also have affiliate extension. Location extension is when you do not own and you want to show an affiliate to any kind of location, right? You can do that. So we have rarely used this type of extension, but people do use it when they have a lot of global clients. Price extension is one of the best extensions, and all e-commerce brands should be using a price extension because it gives a short snippet about your product along with the price. Uh, you can customize this as per your requirement. You can also schedule this when it needs to go out. There is a different option where you can talk about from so and so to so up to so and so, or an average. You don't have to give out the actual number in this, but this extension is perfect for all e-commerce clients, and they are currently being used very aggressively as well. App extension is when you already have an app and you want to make sure if people don't want to come to the website, they can always go to our app. You can just add on your app in this. Just make sure Google Ads is integrated with the app backend. Lastly is promotion extension. This is one of my favorite extensions because every promotion which we do, we make sure there is a promotion extension. uh, you can show different types of discounts or percentage discounts. You can also write about the monsoon offer, a Christmas offer, New Year offer, Diwali. So this extension is by and large highly used extension. So where you can also showcase your promo code which is required for a specific product. You can select a date, the start date and an end date. And the best part about this extension is that if you schedule it, you really don't have to worry about your monsoon sale or a Christmas sale going uh, more than the required duration, right? Also, everybody likes to see a discounted offer on the products you're selling. So, till date, this extension has given a lot a lot of reach to many users, making sure that the click-through rates of the ads increase. Um, in a very ideal scenario for every search campaign, we should use at least 4 to 5 extensions, because the extension increases the size of the ad. Also, you send in the right relative information what the user is looking for. So that's in a nutshell about search ad and extensions. After covering ads and extension, search campaigns by far have been the best performing campaigns for your target audience. Just make sure that all the ads are changed frequently. So we we generally follow this. We start off with 4 ads, and after every week or 2 weeks, we keep changing the non-performing ads, and a lot of A/B testing is required to see what messaging works for which keyword. Try to incorporate all the keywords in the ads. That will also give you a better click-through rates. So thank you. This is me wrapping up search campaigns. The next video will be on display campaigns. Thank you.